All right, guys. So while I'm in COVIDlandia, I've wanted a spa experience, but don't want to go to the gym because I'm scared. So kind of created in the backyard. Ordered this pop-up gym or sauna online. Why, you say, in Florida? Well, look at this. I find it very relaxing. So we found these online. Me and a friend of mine were like, we're going to get it. And when it came, finally in the mail, it took forever. All it had were these illustrations. It took some figuring out, but all the parts were there and all the bars are labeled. Basically, you're going to create the bottom structure and the frame of it, I guess. And then you put the tent or the material part over the frame. This is a steam pot. You should only add water to it. And then it attaches with this hose to the nozzle inside your pop-up tent once you get it set up. So that's pretty self-explanatory. A goes into A, B goes into B, C goes into C, like that, like it's broken down. The steam pot on the inside is where you could put any oils you may want to soak them up better. We all know that when we're sweating, our pores are open because toxins are coming out, but also other things can come in. So you want to make sure you put on the inside pot the kinds of things you want to come in, like peppermint oil, tea tree oil. That also adds to the exciting experience. So you see the material is kind of like the kind of material that holds in heat for a reason. So this is my first time trying it. Came with the remote. Real excited. So you set the timer and the power on the pot, and then you get inside. Warning, it does take a little while for the heat to get up to the level you want. Like I say, give it about 10 minutes. But other than that, I absolutely love it. Relax on, sisters.